Hello Cambly learners, my name is Simon and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today you'll be learning about feelings. Feelings. Happy. Happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. She is happy. She is happy. What makes you happy? What makes you happy? Chocolate makes me happy. Chocolate makes me happy. Sad. Sad. I'm sad. I'm sad. The dog is sad. The dog is sad. What makes you sad? What makes you sad? Thunder makes me sad. Thunder makes me sad. Tired. Tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Mom is tired. Mom is tired. What makes you tired? What makes you tired? Homework makes me tired. Homework makes me tired. Oh, sleepy. Sleepy. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. Daddy is sleepy. Daddy is sleepy. What makes you sleepy? What makes you sleepy? Cleaning makes me sleepy. Cleaning makes me sleepy. Oh, confused. Confused. I'm confused. I'm confused. What makes you confused? What makes you confused? Clothes makes me confused. Clothes make me confused. Bored. Bored. I'm bored. I'm bored. Grandpa is bored. Grandpa is bored. What makes you bored? No smartphone. No game. I'm bored. I'm bored. Oh. Sick. Sick. He is sick. Oh. He is sick. What makes you sick? What makes you sick? Eating so much food makes me sick. Eating so much food makes me sick. Oh. Scared. Scared. I'm scared. Oh. I'm scared of ghosts. Ooh. I'm scared of ghosts. Ooh. What makes you scared? What makes you scared. Lightning makes me scared. Lightning makes me scared. Nervous, nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Mom is cooking. I'm nervous. Mom is cooking. I'm nervous. What makes you nervous? What makes you nervous? Woof, 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 woof. Dogs barking makes me nervous. Dogs barking makes me nervous. For those of you unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly gives you instant access to amazing native English speakers who are kid-friendly, just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye. See you soon. Bye.